God, you people are lucky. I'm giving you a secret. One of my hamstring secrets. So what I'm going to do is a unilateral hamstring curl. Now, to really isolate the working hamstring, your supporting leg really needs to be stretched forward. And we're going to use a lying hamstring curl for me to demonstrate that. So step back so I can demonstrate this to you. So the supporting leg really needs to come up high, in line. Your toes should be in line with the end of that the lying pad. Obviously, you're supporting. Your working hamstring, and your ankle is below the pad, and you're going to pull up and then down. So remember, bring the supporting leg up high, lower the weight until it almost hits the stack. Get a good stretch, and then back up, contract, hold.